I feel we're hitting affordability on both sides. We're hitting affordability on the consumer side, that is the resident who moves into our homes, and the investor who's investing in the company so that we can build these communities. Both are affordable concepts. We are very dedicated to this democratization of venture capital, which is promulgated by the Jobs Act of 2012. It's had a very slow start, but we have been at it now for 3 years and are really honing it in very nicely. But the long and short of it is this. Opportunities like those we are offering with ERC communities have heretofore only been available to wealthy investors who could come in on an accredited basis only, invest large sums of money, or Wall Street investment firms, private equity firms, still very prevalent today, still to this day making my company offers to come in and fund. We are very dedicated to providing an affordable investment where a shareholder can come in for $750 if he wants to, can come in for $250,000 if he or she wants to, in any range therein. There's a very small minimum and there's no maximum. So it may sound kind of corny, but we've decided to offer our investment opportunity to Main Street instead of offering it to Wall Street. And I have darn near half a century of experience in this. I've done a lot of Wall Street finance. On the debt side, we will continue to do Wall Street finance. But in terms of the ownership of the company, the ownership of these assets, we have a very warm and fuzzy feeling, frankly, about staying with this crowdfund approach. We've put an investor services group together. We're pushing about 3,000 investors right now, and many of them just call up. And it's almost like ERC Communities is like the corner grocery store at this point. It makes me smile, and many of them know each other, and there's just a great feeling. We had investors now coming in on our Reg A and Reg D offerings 5th, 6th, 7th time. We think they just feel very comfortable with us, and thereby I think we're building a little bit of a mini culture. These investors know that we're going to stay the course and really push this through. This isn't some quick act where they put up their money and we sell this thing in a couple of years and maybe they make a 10% gain. I want these investors to make serious multiples on their capital. I can't project that right now, but if we go at this for 10 years and do some form of a monetization event, be it a sale, be it an initial public offering, a REIT, whatever it may be, these investors are going to have done very well. And we'll be as proud of that as we are whatever we make in the process.